The traffic detours enforced around 3 miles in St Andrew is not only affecting motorists, but also people who work along that stretch of road. Some say they fear job losses, while their employers say a lack of information is leaving their workers stranded or exposed to criminals. TVJ's Herman Green tells their story.
No vehicles are being allowed through 3 miles in St Andrew, but businesses in the area are still open, and so workers still have to get to work. Many now have to walk about a half a mile from Marcus Garvey Drive or Hagley Park Road to get to their jobs, as buses and taxis no longer come this way. Commercial manager at Sampars, Craig Robinson, explains that if his employees don't walk, they have to pay more.
We have heard that there are taxis that have increased the fares, and so it's costing more for them to get to us, and also not to mention tardiness that will happen because persons can't get to us on time.
He says there are also security concerns when workers leave at nights. There is no clear indication of where they can access buses. General Manager of Dr. Glass, Dwight Clacken, explains that even those who drive are exposed to security risks.
One person came here and told me that people attempted to tax them, collect money for them to pass through certain areas. People are not going to come and face that kind of situation. And it's impossible for the police to police that particular kind of situation because the detours change so regularly, daily, sometimes hourly.
They believe that these issues, along with the financial losses the companies have been experiencing because of reduced customer flow, could have been avoided if the projects were better managed.
We want to have proper communication happening, timely communication, so that we can make preparation.
If it's organized properly, this wouldn't happen. And I'm beginning to wonder who cares. Yeah? That bothers me.
Herman Green, TVJ News.